Hey everyone, what's up? A lot of you know me, some of you don't, but I'm here to tell you my story of how I now live a life I don't have to take a vacation from.
Please subscribe and hit the bell. When you do, we're going to send you our $297 Promo Riches course completely for free, so you can learn how to make money online from anywhere. Plus, you'll qualify for our weekly cash giveaways, free prizes, and more free training. So hit that subscribe button now.
And I came down to the ocean to tell this story. And let's kind of take a look here, right? Sitting in the ocean. I'm in Dorado. I live in Dorado Beach, Puerto Rico, the Ritz-Carlton Resort. And I'm going to go back to 2016, and I'm going to tell this story because a lot of you might be able to reference it with your own situation. Back in 2016, my now ex-wife left me for high and dry, broke. We had a business. Together. We were making money, and she just up one day decided to leave, and it was crazy, like the craziest thing. Like, I didn't know what to do. But when she did, she left me with absolutely zero. Left me with no money, no car, no house, nothing. I was literally, like I said, you can check this out on my Facebook page, February 2016, left for absolutely broke. So I was kind of, my back was up against the wall, and I had to make a decision. Now, the one thing, I already knew how I was already successful to a degree, but I had the blueprint already, and I had the understanding. But sometimes when you get knocked down, you get this inside your head, oh man, I'm not going to be able to get back up. This is going to be difficult. It's taken all away. And I started watching these motivational videos on YouTube and stuff, and I'm sure you've seen them. And the one that really resonated with me was you have to want it more than you want your next breath. And I really thought about it. I had to think about it. So I got up one day, I was sleeping on somebody's couch, like literally paying them $100 a week. I got this bullshit part-time job, paying them $100 a week to sleep on their couch. And I got up one day and I decided to go down to the ocean. But when I did, I walked down, and this is the reason why I'm here today. So I can kind of reminisce, but put you in a place of where I was. And I walked down to the ocean, and I just kind of stood there looking out at it. And I just started walking. And I just started walking into the water. Now, mind you, I'm scared to death of the water. I'm scared to death of the one thing I have a fear of is water, and that's basically it. Like, knee high is about as much as I'll go. And but anyway, I walked into the water, and I started thinking about wanting it more than my next breath. Right? The young man said, to the old successful guy or the guru or whatever it was, said, how do you become successful? You have to want it more than your next breath. And I put myself, though, in a place where, like I am right now. Like, let's take a look here. I'm standing in the water. Let's take a look, all right? I'm standing in the water. It became real to me. It became real. And I would do that on a weekly basis. And I would go down to the ocean. I would walk into the water. And I would just sit there, and just 5-10 minutes, just really thinking and contemplating. I had this crummy part-time job, right? Just enough to put food into my stomach, eat ramen noodles, and sleep on somebody's couch. But then opportunity came knocking, and I knew if I wanted to be successful again, I would have to want it more than my next breath. And that's exactly what I did. So in that time, I took massive action on something I saw. My business partner, my cousin, now business partner, Jason, right? He showed me something and I said, man, I get it. And we took massive action on it. And within 30 days, I went from zero to making $30,000 a month. Now I'm gonna tell you, that might not be, and really some of you might think, oh wow, you're making $30,000 a month. But it was still a business, you know, it was e-com. And it was like, oh man, right? But we were still struggling, but I was making a little bit more money. I had divorce lawyers knocking on the, I mean, just like everything. And I would still go down to the beach every day, or not every day, once a week. And I would go down there, again, walk into the water, say to myself, I want it more than my next breath. And I would do that every week. Just come down, stare into the ocean again. Here I am, standing in the water. It became real, it was physical. And then about 12 months later, right, we ended up really cracking the code with Facebook advertising, and we went from $30,000 a month without increasing any ad spend, doubled our revenue to $60,000 a month. Now we're making profit. But then we started teaching other people. How to do it. And our mindset was where it was supposed to be. And we started creating millionaires. We created a few millionaires along the way. It was pretty crazy. And it came fast. It was fast. It just happened fast. But I would still go down on a weekly basis, just walk into the ocean, because I never wanted to forget where I came from. You see, success can come and go. It does. I've been successful, I've been broke, I've been successful, I've been broke. But the whole concept is, when you become successful, to stay successful, to stay focused, your eye on the prize. So I still come down to the ocean and I still walk into the water. Regardless of where I'm at in my life, I still walk into the water. And I say to myself, I have to want it more than my next breath. So now this is going, you know, obviously back in February 2016, you know, it's going to keep going years and years and years. But I just keep going down to the water. And I have a true belief to maintain and to keep that success. If I don't keep coming to do this, right, I may lose it again. But this helps me do one thing, and that's keep my focus, keep my eye on the prize. And I want to let you guys know too that you can do it too. I'm just like you. I'm just like you. Right? I didn't have a rich family. I didn't have, you know, I don't have a great education. I don't have the you know, whatever. But now I live a life that I don't need to take a vacation from. I have kids that have this great affinity for me. I do now what I want to do, when I want to do it, where I want to do it. And I truly believe it's because I just walked into the water and I said to myself, I want it more than my next breath. So again, guys, I'm just like you, right? Success, anybody can have success. It's just how bad do you want it is going to be the key. And sometimes just walking down to the water, putting yourself in there, is going to help you realize, find your focus for you to be able to do it. And again, I'm just like you. There's no difference between me and you. So other than that, guys, I really hope you had, right? I hope this resonated with you. I hope this story resonated with you. I hope it was able to maybe help you get through, maybe help you understand that, you know, you're not the only one out there who's struggling. And again, I was just like you. Take it easy.
And now I'm funny. The mission's been completed.
please subscribe and hit the bell. When you do, we're going to send you our $297 Promo Riches course completely for free, so you can learn how to make money online from anywhere. Plus, you'll qualify for our weekly cash giveaways, free prizes, and more free training. So hit that subscribe button now.